Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Lone Oak, Texas, working on a bunker, and we're at a stage where we're putting in our drain because we will be backfilling sometime soon, and just showing you good practice. A lot of contractors will consider the walls completed from here. You see that? That is what we call honeycombing in the wall. It comes from when we vibrate the wall, you'll normally get a solid look like this. But in a lot of areas, when it's not vibrated all the way down to the bottom, which is almost nearly impossible to do 100%, because the taller the walls, the harder it is. These walls are 14 feet tall. And as you can see, down the bottom is where it's usually the most pervasive. And most contractors will leave it. Well, does it matter? Most people say no, but a good contractor will not leave it like this. Or should I say a basement contractor. Concrete guys, most of the time, a general concrete guy will leave it. They're looking at this wall maybe anywhere between 12 to 14 inches thick and consider it not a major problem. Well, the problem is when it's open like that, some areas, it may go in as far as an inch, some places 2 inches. That means those areas, if a wall is 14 inches thick, and the structural engineer really wanted to be a minimum of 12 or 13 inches, you're really close to being able, depending on how much hydrostatic pressure you have, water may be wanting to come inside. So it's a good practice to fill these in with grout, not mortar. Now, if you have a thick wall, then your structural engineer may allow you to just simply fill it in with mortar mix. But Basement Kings, we use a waterproof grout, which will make it even stronger than any other part of the wall. And it is hard in less than 24 hours. So you'll see what it looks like when we finish. I will show you. Because corners are a prime area. Corners down at the bottom, you can see it. It's not a bad pour, it's just the vibration. So you want to seal it. Do it right the first time is what I say. And don't have to worry about it again. Do not go cheap when you're putting in a basement. You want to make sure that all the details are taken care of, because once you begin trying to do it later on and trying to fix any problem that you may have, you can start off at $10,000 and go up. So fix it, no problem, as long as you own it. So now that you've seen it, let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.